In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the lookup formula in Google Sheets. Whether you're a novice or just brushing up on your spreadsheet skills, this step-by-step guide will help you master this handy function. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to make sure you have a Google Sheet open. If you haven't already, navigate to Google Sheets in your web browser and open a new or existing spreadsheet. Having your sheet open is the crucial first step as it sets the stage for everything else we'll be doing today. Now, let's get started by focusing on cell G2. Go ahead and click on G2. This is where we'll input our first lookup formula. By placing your formula here, you are instructing Google Sheets to display the result in this particular cell. Next, we're going to type in our formula. In this case, it's going to be equals lookup John A2, A7, D2, D7. What this formula does is look for the name John within the cells from A2 through A7. Once it locates John, it will return the corresponding value from the range D2 through D7. This basic understanding of how the lookup formula operates can save you a lot of time when you're managing data. Once you've typed the formula in, the next step is simple. Hit the Enter key. Doing this will execute the formula and display the result in cell G2. If everything has gone according to plan, you should now see the desired outcome neatly presented. Moving along, let's continue by clicking on cell G3. Here, we're going to repeat a similar process, but with a different set of criteria in the formula. Click into G3 to get started. Now type in the following formula. Lookup support, A2, A7, C2, C7. This time, we're searching for the word support in the range A2 to A7, and we want to return the related values from the range C2 to C7. This gives you a little taste of how versatile the lookup function can be, allowing you to deal with different kinds of data and criteria. Finally, to complete this step, hit the Enter key again. The formula will process and provide you with the result in cell G3, just like before. There you have it. You've now successfully learned the basics of using the lookup formula in Google Sheets. By following these straightforward steps, you can start to apply this knowledge to more complex data sets, helping you to streamline and enhance your data analysis. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to practice this on your own to reinforce your new skills. Keep exploring, and you'll find even more ways to make your spreadsheets work for you.